Hello from Lordhair. Today I'm here to talk to you about the LS1 stock men's hair system. The product code for this is Infinity. This hair system combines a French lace centre with a durable thin skin perimeter, making it ideal for first time wearers. The base of the LS1 combines a French lace centre and a durable thin skin perimeter. The French lace is delicate, soft and light, so air can escape easily. It's particularly good if you live in hot and humid conditions or you exercise often. The durable thin skin perimeter also makes the system easy to attach, handle, clean and maintain. The hair on the system is 5 to 6 inches long. It comes in a freestyle hair direction, meaning it can be styled and parted in whatever way you like. It comes in a slight wave of 32mm and there's only one colour available, which is colour 1B, the colour in my hand right now. The LS1 comes in 5 different base sizes. But we offer a professional base cutting and styling service so your hair system is ready to wear as soon as it arrives. As with all of our stock systems, this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and immediate delivery, meaning this system could be with you with just 5 working days. If the LS1 particularly interests you and you'd like to find out more, then please visit our website at www.lordhair.com or email us at support@lordhair.com. Alternatively, you can telephone us, it's +86 532 8082 8255.